Hello everyone, welcome back once again to the Crafty Bee. Today we are going to be making a no-sew top, a simple and easy 10 minutes to cut. Then you finish your top. And this top, you can style it in many ways. So at the end of the video, I'll be taking you to my mannequin to show you how to style it in different ways. To make this top, you're going to need your fabric, your scissors, your tape, your tailoring chalk. I have 1.5 yard of stretchy fabric in front of me here, and I folded it into 4. 2 on the fold, 2 on the fold, making 4. So to make this no-sew top, you need a self-finished fabric, a fabric that doesn't frill. And this fabric, the front and the back is the same. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So to make this top, you need only two measurements. You need the circumference of where you want to place the neck, and then you need the length of the top. So in this case, I'm going to use 4 inches for the radius, and then the length is 28 inches. I get my tape and my chalk. From the point of the folded top, I'll be marking 4 inches all round. So I'm going to connect the points. From the tip of the folded shoulder, I'm going to mark the length of the top, which is 28 inches. So this is 28 inches. We don't need hemming allowance because it's no sewn top. We are not going to use sewing machine. Only your scissors, your tape and your chalk. So you are going to mark 28 inches all round. So I mark 28 inches all round. Now I'm going to connect the lines. So this is it, my neck, and then the length of the top. It's so easy to make, very easy and simple. So now I'm going to cut it out. That this is all. We finish with the top in less than 10 minutes. So this is it, simple and nice. So I'm going to be taking this top to my mannequin to style it in many ways for you to see which one you prefer. So guys, this is the first way you can style it, with a broad fabric necklace. You can wear a big fabric necklace or any big necklace to cover your neck. So this is the first. So this is the front. This is the side. It's a flat top, it's free. This is the back. This my mannequin is not having hands, so we just manage what we are doing. So the second way of wearing it is bringing it to the shoulder like so. So the second way is to bring it a little bit down your shoulder, like off shoulder. You can wear it like this. So this is another way you can wear it. It's like a slant neck. It's like asymmetric. One side is slanted and the other one has shoulder. This is the other way you can wear it. It's very nice. So guys, this is the last styling. Hope you like it. Just buy material and try it on your own in the house. It's just 10 minutes to cut. So let me know in the comment section which way you would like yours. This is my favorite. So you should leave a comment down the comment section to let me know which one is your own favorite. So guys, we come to the end of our tutorial today. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this tutorial interesting, then give this video a thumbs up, share to your families and friends, hit on the subscribe button to support your girl. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.